7 strategies for killing it as an entrepreneur. Building your dream company is no easy task. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hard work. However, there are 7 basic strategies you need to know and understand that can make the difference between killing it and killing your business. 1. Love what you do. If you don't love the company you're building and what you're doing daily, then you'll eventually end up hating your business. That basically equates to not reading this article at all. 2. Build your dream team. Surround yourself and your business with people that'll support you and your business. This includes your family, friends, and employees. Don't just hire an employee to hire someone. Make sure the person you're taking on loves your company, loves the job, and can get things done. 3. Know your market. Know who you're creating a product or service for, and make sure you're creating a product or service that they'll want. You may love your own homemade chocolate chip banana caramel cookies. That doesn't mean that the rest of the world will love them, or even love them enough to buy some. Know who your target market is and make sure your product is worthy. 4. Believe in your product. Believe, believe, believe. If you do not believe in your product or service, then no one else will. End of story. 5. Understand scale and growth. In layman's terms, this means not to get too big for your britches. Companies of all sizes start and end daily. Make sure no matter the amount of financial backing you have, that you're keeping your growth and scale in check. 6. Care about your customers. Your customers are your bread and butter. You need to care about how they receive your product, if they're happy with it, and if they're going to return or pass your name along. Without customers, you won't have a business, and word of mouth is one of the best forms of advertisement you can have. 7. Identify your advantage. Why should customers pick your business over others? You need to know why you're better, and that needs to be your number 1 selling point. No matter the product or service, you need to have an advantage over all the others. Rocking it as an entrepreneur is no easy feat. Companies are created daily. Companies also close daily. Big companies, little companies, and all sizes in between. Make sure that you have your ducks or strategies in place.